Guys, I got this pendant necklace. It's the necklace is said Gorham sterling. So it's a Gorham sterling silver. Where is that? Right there. Gorham sterling silver. And it's a vintage. So like the kind of right here, that's sign of a vintage. The locks right there, that's a vintage. Let's see if I already wipe this. And in the back, guys, is like a silver looking like that, but when you go in this, in the hole, there's like a colorful rivoli look, and the same as the earrings. Sorry about that. Hey, but I wanna try to wear this, guys. They're so cute. I collect some other like riboli. I have ring and stuff. Can sparkle. So I don't know if you see. It's kind of like that. See, like a silver right there, and then inside is it's like right there is kind of clear, but when you go in that, see, there's like a you look inside. There's like that colorful color. See, it changes. So matching so I thought yesterday, guys, I thought this is like I thought it's it's always tangled up, and it's hard to remove too. It's just like, anyway, so cute. So